Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have sudo access and a terminal open. Start by checking current DNS to confirm change is needed. Once done, pick your new DNS servers, for example 1, 1, 1, 1 and 8, 8, 8, 8, and identify whether your system uses Network Manager or Netplan. Make sure to use the appropriate config path, Network Manager Connections or /etc/netplan YAML. Now, prepare to edit the active connection or the Netplan file. Keep a backup of any file you modify so you can revert quickly. If using Network Manager, run nmcli to target the active connection and set IP4 DNS to your servers. Once done, explicitly disable DHCP DNS with IP4. Ignore auto DNS yes so the system won't revert. Make sure to include both addresses in quotes separated by a space. After saving the change, bring the connection down and back up to apply settings immediately. If using a GUI, the same fields exist in the connection editor. Make the switch there and apply. Confirm with nmcli dev show grep DNS. For Netplan, edit the YAML to include name servers under the relevant network interface and keep indentation exact. Once saved, run sudo netplan apply to push the config to systemd networked or network manager backend. Then verify with systemd resolve status or resolvectal status to see active DNS. If name resolution fails, check that /etc/resolve. Conf points to systemd resolved or contains your DNS. If not, recreate the correct symlink and restart systemd resolved with sudo systemctl restart systemd resolved. That usually fixes common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.